We have to find the total surface area of a square base pyramid. This is a square base pyramid. OPQRS is a pyramid with a square base of length 14 centimeter. Since this is a square, so this side is 14, this will also be 14, this will also be 14, and this will also be equals to 14 centimeter, because this is a square base pyramid. A square base pyramid has a square in its base and a square has all sides equal. Given that the slant height of the pyramid is 17 centimeter, we discussed in our previous video that a pyramid has two types of heights. The first one is the true vertical height, which is from the center of the base to the top, and the other one is the slant height of the pyramid, which is actually the height of the triangle. This slant height of the pyramid is actually the height of the triangle, which is equals to 17 centimeter. We have to draw its net diagram, and hence we have to find the total surface area. In order to find the total surface area, we have to draw its the net diagram. It's the first step. So we will be drawing the net diagram, and then we will be calculating the total surface area of this square base pyramid. The first question is that there is a data missing in this question. What is that data? Yes, exactly. The height of the pyramid is not given. The true height of the pyramid is not given, but the point is that we don't need true height in order to get the total surface area. We need the slant height to get the total surface area. If you watch my video closely, I told you that true height and slant height are totally different. We need true height to find the volume of the pyramid, and we need slant height to find the total surface area of the pyramid. This point is very important, and you have to make sure that there is a difference between the true height and the slant height. Slant height is basically the height of the triangle, and true height is the height of the pyramid. In order to calculate the volume, we need true height, and in order to calculate the surface area of the pyramid, we need slant height. I hope this point is clear to you guys. Now we are moving forward. So this is basically a worked example. It has been solved, so I'm just discussing it. So moving on to the next page, this is the net diagram of this square base pyramid, and I will show you how it is drawn. First of all, we will focus on the base. Since this is a base and it is a square base pyramid, so I will draw a square of 14 centimeter. That is, all the sides will be equal to 14 centimeter. So I draw a square of 14 centimeter, 14, 14, 14, 14, because this is a square. And then what will I do? Since it has four sides, so this means there will be four triangles, and since this is a square base pyramid, so all the four triangles will be of same size, will be identical. So I will roughly draw four triangles like this, and I will make sure that all the four triangles look similar. And now the last part, since the slant height, which I told you is the height of the triangle, is given, which is equals to 17 centimeter. So you will label this side as 17, 17, 17 and 17. So this is your labeled net diagram. You have to make it in order to find the total surface area. So now we have drawn our total, the net diagram of the square base pyramid, and we discussed earlier that the total surface area is the total area of all the faces. Since it has 5 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, so I have to calculate 5 areas and then I will add them to get the total surface area. But the good thing is that since it is a square base pyramid, so I will not be finding the 4 areas. I will just find the area of one triangle and I will just multiply it with 4 to get the total area. And then I will find the area of the square. You guys know the formula. This is a triangle and you know the formula, how to find the area of a triangle and how to find the area of a square. So moving on with the triangle, first we will be finding out the area. This is a triangle which has a base of 14 and a height of 17. So what is the formula? Half base into height. So half base, that is 14, into height, that is 17, and the area of one triangle is equals to 119 centimeter square. I told you I don't have to find all the 4 areas, just find one and multiply it with 4. So now the next term is of this square. Since this is a square, so the area of square is side multiplied by side. So 14 multiplied by 14 will be equal to 196 square centimeter square. So I got the area of this square. I have the area of one triangle. So what will I do? I will multiply it with 4. I will multiply it with 4 and I will add the area of square. Together they will give me the total surface area of the pyramid. This is the area of a triangle. 119 plus 119 plus 119 plus 119 plus 196. This will give me an answer of 672 centimeter square, which is the total surface area of my pyramid. I found out the area of one triangle and then multiply it with 4 to get the area of 4 triangles and then add the area of square in it to get the total surface area of the pyramid.